Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're exploring some powerful Android camera tips and tricks to help you take pro-looking photos. No fancy gear, just your phone. Tip 1 is turn on the grid lines. Open your camera settings and enable the grid. This helps you use the rule of thirds, where you place your subject slightly off-center for a more dynamic and professional composition. Instant upgrade. Tip 2 is use HDR mode. HDR is perfect for scenes with bright skies and dark shadows. Tap the HDR option in your camera app. It blends multiple exposures to balance the light, giving you clearer highlights and richer details. Tip 3 is manual focus tap and hold on your subject until you see the AE/AF lock. This keeps the focus steady, even in low light. And don't forget to clean your lens. Smudges can ruin your image quality instantly. And that's it. Try them out today and tag me in your best shots. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. See you in the next one.